Step 1. Shuck the corn by removing the husks and as much of the stringy silk as possible. Step 2. Thoroughly coat all sides of the corn with olive oil. Step 3. Generously season all sides with salt and pepper. Step 4. Grill the corn on medium-high heat with the lid closed. It takes about 15 minutes to cook. Step 5. Turn the corn every 3 to 5 minutes to get an even char. Step 6. Remove the corn from the grill when lightly charred on all sides but not burnt. Step 7. To eat the corn on the cob, just add corn skewers and a little butter. If you prefer to eat your corn off the cob, remove the kernels with a sharp knife or a corn stripper tool and then add a little butter. Step 9. Be sure to like and subscribe for more DIY basics videos in the future.